Two popular budget-friendly tablets are the Surface Go and the iPad 9. But which is the superior option? While the Surface Go 3 can capture 4K video, which is superior to the iPad's 1080p. The iPad 9 has support for center stage, a function that keeps you in the frame during video conversations by moving the camera as you walk about the room. In today's video, we'll compare the Microsoft Surface Go with the Apple iPad 9 and tell you which one is superior. Number 5. Cameras. The iPad features a superior 12-megapixel camera with a faster f1.8 aperture, 5x digital zoom, and smart HDR3. The Surface Go 3 has an 8-megapixel back camera, as per Microsoft, but no information on zoom or aperture is provided. According to Microsoft, it can capture 4K video, which outperforms the iPad's 1080p video and matches the iPad Air's 4K capabilities. The tablets contain two microphones for audio reception, and all front-facing cameras provide 1080p video. Microsoft might have caught up to Apple in the camera department, but it is again somewhat behind the curve. The introduction of Windows Hello biometrics is one area where the Surface Go 3 outperforms the Surface Go 2. From all of these, which one wins in terms of video calls? Stay tuned for additional information on this subject. Number 4. Weight and storage. The new iPad is somewhat lighter than the Surface Go 3, weighing 1.07 pounds versus 1.2 pounds for the Surface Go 3. Digital pens, which are available separately, are compatible with both the new iPad and the Surface Go 3. The costs of the pens and other accessories for the two will be discussed shortly, so keep an eye out. The Microsoft G6 CPU is used in the Surface Slim Pen 2. When using Windows 11, the pen has a sharper tip and offers improved precision and control, according to Microsoft. It also suggests a configurable pen menu. Concerning the RAM, the Surface Go 3 may benefit from 4GB or 8GB variants. According to reports, Apple's 9th generation iPad has 3GB of RAM. Both tablets have cellular capabilities. The new iPad is also available in an LTE-capable configuration. None of the tablets have 5G capability. One of the most noticeable improvements with the 9th generation iPad is the increase in beginning capacity to 64GB. That's double the previous model's starting point of 32GB. A 256GB storage option is available for the new iPad. Internal storage options for the Surface Go 3 are 64GB or 128GB. Before we move to number 3, kindly subscribe to our channel so you do not miss any of our content. Number 3. Video calls. The Surface Go 3 has an 8-megapixel camera on the back and a 5-megapixel camera on the front. The iPad 9, on the other hand, offers an 8-megapixel rear camera with panorama, digital zoom, HDR for images, and burst mode. A 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 122-degree field of view is on the front. The iPad also has center stage support, which guarantees that you stay in the frame throughout video conversations by rotating the camera as you walk around the room. The iPad appears to be the superior choice for video chats and online meetings due to this, as well as the higher megapixel front camera. Number 2. Price and availability. The pricing of Apple's 9th generation iPad starts at $329. This is $70 less than the starting price of Microsoft's Surface Go 3, which is $399. Notably, the cost for the Surface Go 3 applies solely to the Intel Pentium CPU version of the tablet. The Surface Go 3, including an Intel Core i3 processor, costs $629.99, but you get 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory with that price. Please note that neither the keyboard nor the digital pen is included in these rates. The Smart Keyboard costs $159 for the iPad, while the first-generation Apple Pencil costs $99. The Surface Go 3 keyboard starts at $99.99, while the Surface Stylus costs $67.99. Number 1. Display and power. In regards to display, the Apple iPad 9 and Microsoft Surface Go 3 are close. The Surface Go 3's 10.5-inch display is just a hair bigger than the iPad's 10.2-inch display. Both tablets have LCDs, with Microsoft's Pixel Sense display on the Surface Go 3 and Apple's Retina display on the iPad, giving rich and colorful viewing clarity. Nevertheless, the iPad has a higher screen resolution of 264 pixels per inch than the Surface Go 3, which has a resolution of 220 pixels per inch. Apple's True Tone display technology has also been added to the iPad. According to Apple's press release, this makes images appear more natural and provides users with a more comfortable viewing experience in all lighting environments. Furthermore, the iPad 9 has a brightness of up to 500 nits. Apple claims that the built-in 32.4 watt-hour battery in the iPad and 28.6 watt-hour battery in the iPad Air would allow users to surf the web for up to 10 hours on Wi-Fi. With its 28 watt-hour battery, Microsoft claims the Surface Go 3 can last up to 11 hours of regular tablet usage. So, what is our verdict from this iPad 9 and Surface Go 3 review? If your profession or studies need you to read, write, or perform any other task that can be done with a mobile or online app, an iPad Air might be your laptop. If you want a more stable operating system that supports desktop software, the Surface Go 3 is the tablet for you. All forms of work may be done on the Go 3 Surface. According to Microsoft, your frontline workers are your eyes and ears in the field, and they need the flexibility to show you their point of view from wherever they work. Whichever option you choose, it should be fully determined by your needs and intended use. That is all we have for you today on Apple iPad 9 vs. Surface Go 3. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please do well to check out our other video on Surface Go 3 review. See this before you buy. We know you will enjoy it as well.